So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason your Instagram account has been disabled. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you just went through inside of your Instagram account and you may have noticed that your account has been disabled or something along those lines. That happens all the time. Now, if we if we take a look at Instagram's own disabled Instagram account page, you can see that they kind of tell us a few different things. Now, the first thing they basically tell us is that, hey, if your Instagram account is disabled or was disabled, you'll see a message telling you why, basically what happened and when you can try logging back into your account. Now, basically what they try to tell you is that if your account was against community guidelines, so basically if you got like a community guideline strike within Instagram, you're basically going to have to go ahead and either try to appeal it or you're going to have to go ahead and just understand what you did was wrong. Like if you were harassing people, if you were doing some crazy stuff on Instagram and your account was disabled, then you probably shouldn't even fight it because there's nothing worth fighting for. But if you think if you think it was a mistake or something like that, you can actually ask Instagram to go ahead and actually review your account in and of itself. So it says right here, if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to ask us to review the decision by opening the app, entering your username and password, and following the on-screen instructions. So what this basically looks like is essentially when you log back into your Instagram account, you should be able to see a page that looks something like this, like your Instagram account was disabled on this particular day. But you should also see right when you see this particular panel come up, you should see right here that it says disagree with the decision. So if you see that panel at the very bottom, all you have to do is tap on disagree with the decision. And what's going to end up happening is Instagram is going to go ahead and actually review your particular account. So they're going to go ahead and basically, see your account. And if they deem that it's still actually appropriate and it was a mistake, they will go ahead and reinstate your account. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. However, if Instagram still deems that your account is inappropriate or, it's against, community guidelines, then they're probably still going to ban your account and there's nothing really you can do about it. And maybe you can make another account, but that is pretty much the main way to go ahead and fix a disabled, or suspended Instagram account as at this point. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.